What's up, Chris? Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Box Breaks by the Hoop Doctor. 12 more Walmart hanger Prizm boxes. I did a break of this a couple hours ago, boy. We didn't get near as many silver rookie variations, but we got some big names in color. We got Mac Jones, Justin Fields, Trevor Lawrence, Zach Wilson, and Davis Mills all in color in that 12-box break. So hopefully we will do that or more in this one. I've got some new people in the Facebook group tonight. I do want to welcome you. I do want to take a moment to let you know how I'm going to do my breaks. I'm going to show you every single card. I'm going to call every player by name. I'm also going to call out what team they play for. My goal is for you to know every single card you're going to get before this video ends. I'm also going to ship all cards, including base. All rookies, inserts, parallels, and the mega stars will at least be sleeved up, if not top loaded, and I will have these cards in the mail to you tomorrow. I do have another eBay break tomorrow night. It's going to be 5 blaster boxes and 6 of these hanger boxes, so I would love for you to check it out. It's live on eBay now. I'm running it as a one-day auction. I also have this 12-box break 2 times on Friday, and I'll probably have some more on Wednesday. I also do Facebook Pick Your Team breaks. If you don't know what that is, basically I list all the teams. I put a price out there. You read the product. You see the price. If you like it, you comment. First person to comment on a team gets them. What are the advantages of a Pick Your Team break? Well, you don't get sniped. You know the price right off the bat. Many of you might not have to pay sales tax doing it that way, but maybe and it's free shipping. But a big added on thing is I give the New England Patriots away in a randomizer. So if you buy one team for $10, you may get the Patriots thrown in for free. Every time you have a team, you have a chance. So I'm going to be listing one of those for tomorrow, later tonight on this same page. So if that interests you at all, please check it out. It's probably going to have some, it is going to have some mega boxes, blaster boxes, and hanger boxes. It's going to be a pretty big break. And so anyhow, I'll post that in the Facebook group later this evening after I finish this break. But we need to focus on this break right here. And as Chris says, we need Jalen Waddle. What we really need is all of the big rookies. I have a top 12 list. We got close last break. I think we got 9 of the 12. Prizm's hard to get all of them, but that's why their values stay strong. But we're going to hope to get all 12 this break. I guess the good news for Chris is we didn't get Jalen Waddle in the first 12 boxes. Surely that means he's going to be in these. And we hope to get more than the 4 silver rookie variations I got in the first break. I really think we'll get more than half the boxes, which would be, I'm calling 7 right now. Here's Aaron Donald, Rams, Ryan Tannehill, Titans, Nick Bosa, Niners, Mark Brunell, Jacksonville, Steve Largent, Seahawks, Austin Eckler, Chargers, Anthony Barr, Vikings, Tyreek Hill, Kansas City, The Packers get a Brett Favre, Rob Gronkowski Bucks, Brian Dawkins Eagles, Lamar Jackson Ravens. Here comes a rookie, I believe. Racy McMath, Tennessee. We are going to get a variation because the next card is a green Prizm. It's not a rookie. It's Laramie Tunsil Texans. The silver rookie variation is going to the Rams. Tutu Atwell. Each box will either have a silver rookie variation or a green rookie Prizm. If we don't get the variation that has the V on it, we might get a silver base rookie and a green. We'd had that happen, I think, twice in the earlier break. And then each box will have a red cracked ice rookie. All right, Rams. The first variation. Here comes the cracked ice. Xavier Rhodes, Colts. Jamal Williams, Lions. Michael Gallup, Cowboys. This one will be the rookie. And it's going to the Dolphins. Hunter Long. We do have Fireworks. Some of these inserts have rookies. Fireworks is one of them. It's not rookie exclusive, though, so let's hope we get one. And we do, and we got a big name. Top 12 right there. Top 10 easily. Zach Wilson, New York Jets, has found his way into the break early tonight. We need all those big rookies. And that's how the break starts. Not a bad one. Zach Wilson there at the end. Silver rookie variation of Tutu Atwell. So 2 cards in the top loaders in the first box. Can't get this plastic. It's hard to get off sometimes. I had to get kind of physical with that one. All right, how about another big rookie or two in this box? Jesse Bates, Bengals. Tyler Boyd, Bengals. Grady Jarrett. Going to the Ravens. Odell, Browns. Derek Brown, Panthers. Fred Warner, Niners. Tony Baselli, Jacksonville. Kyler Murray, Cardinals. C.J. Henderson, Jacksonville. A.J. Green, Cardinals. Landon Collins, Washington. Raekwon Smith, Bears. Rookie, Jaguars. Tyson Campbell. Looks like another variation because the green is Ryan Fitzpatrick, Washington. Silver rookie variation. Wow. Mega hit. Jacksonville Jaguars. Trevor Lawrence. Look at that centering. Look at that card. That is a beauty. Wow, what a hit. This is the kind of start to the break we needed. 2 for 2 on silver rookie variations. Trevor Lawrence is one of them. Cracked ice. Anthony Fisker, Titans. Hunter Renfrow, Raiders. Devin Bush, Pittsburgh, the rookie. Not a bad one at all. San Francisco 49ers. Elijah Mitchell in color. And we have a break insert, and I already see the RC logo. Who is it? Oh, it's Justin Fields. 3 of the big rookie quarterbacks in the first 2 boxes, including T-Law variation. Some people call these hanger boxes bangers, and we are banging pretty well. Bringing the heat. All right, let's see if we can keep it up. Get a couple of more big ones right here. Jonah Smith, Patriots. Rock Ya-Sin, Colts. Corey Davis, Jets. DJ Chark, Jags. Matthew Stafford, Rams. Tre'Davious White, Buffalo. John Brown, Raiders. Xavier Howard, Dolphins. Hunter Renfrow, Raiders. Jordan Love, Green Bay. Marcus Peters, Ravens. Jalen Hurts, Eagles. Rookie, Ambry Thomas to the Niners. We are not going to get a variation. We're going to go silver green. I wish the silver would also be a rookie. It's not. It's Jordan Poyer, Buffalo Bills. Now for the green rookie. Penei Sewell, Detroit Lions. Cracked Ice, Deshaun Watson, Texans. Terry McLaurin, Washington. Saquon Barkley, Giants. And the Cracked Ice rookie. Nice one. Minnesota Vikings, Kellen Mond, Cracked Ice. We also have an emergent rookie insert. How about Waddle? There he is, Chris. Another top 12 name going into a top loader. 4 in 3 boxes. If we keep this up, my math tells me we will get them all. Also some just outside the top 12 rookies that are pretty good, such as a Cracked Ice Kellen Mond, a Cracked Ice Elijah Mitchell, two out of 3 have had variations. Let's hope the 4th box improves those odds to 75%. I'm working on my math. Hey, Dan, I don't know. I just saw your comment, but as far as anything good yet, check this bad boy out right there. Silver rookie variation, Trevor Lawrence. And a Tutu Atwell variation. Zach Wilson, Justin Fields have been here also. Well, I guess I'm glad I'm breaking cards then. All right, Raheem Mostart, Niners, Sean Alexander, Seahawks, Mike Gesicki, Dolphins, David Carr, Texans, Jonas Smith, Patriots, Khalil Mack, Bears, Jalen Reagor, Eagles, Bo Jackson, Raiders, Ed Oliver, Buffalo, LaDainian Tomlinson, Chargers, Amari Cooper, Cowboys, Tom Brady, Tampa Bay Buccaneers, rookie, Penei Sewell, Lions. All right, no variation in this one either. The silver is Grady Jarrett, Falcons. The green rookie, Patrick Surtain, Broncos. Cracked Ice, Nick Bosa, Niners. Stephon Diggs, Buffalo. This Rex Ryan says it's a rookie. It's really not, but it's got the RC logo. Here comes the real rookie. Man alive. Justin Fields. Cracked Ice rookie. We've got Lawrence and we've got Fields both in color in this break. It's been a fun night. We're not near done. Bears. Here's a brilliance. Josh Allen, Buffalo. Some big hits rolling. The biggest names in color. Yeah, that 32 is pretty impressive, but he might have wore himself out. That's happened before. He's a good young talent, I know that. All right, box number 5. We have 2 boxes with variation rookies and 2 without. Latavius Murray, Saints. Saquon Barkley, Giants. Marlon Humphrey, Ravens. Miles Sanders, Eagles. Sam Hubbard, Bengals. Chris Herndon, Jets. James Robinson, Jags. Leonard Floyd, Rams. Derrick Henry, Titans. Jamal Williams, Lions. Terrell Davis, Broncos. Jimmy Graham, Bears. Rookie, Asante Samuel Jr., Chargers. Not a variation here. But we do have a silver rookie and a green rookie and a cracked ice. So 3 rookies in color. This one is, well, actually we don't. Rex Ryan. Dadgummit. Green rookie, Boogie Basham, Buffalo. Here's Cam Akers, Rams. Cracked ice. Xavier Howard, Dolphins. Hardy Nickerson, Bucks. The cracked ice rookies, another mega name. Najee Harris, Pittsburgh. Wow, what a hit. Fireworks. Come on, rookie. Oh, yeah, Jamar Chase. 2 more top 12 rookies in this box. The earlier break, I didn't have a Mac Jones until right at the end, and we just went ahead and pulled a silver variation, so we may do that again. So here we go. Well, let me do one more box, and I'll recap the top 12 rookies through 6 boxes. And of course, the top 12 rookies is kind of my top 12, I know. Joe Sherbert, Jacksonville. Jack Youngblood, Rams. Bud Dupree, Titans. Charles Haley, Niners. Quentin Nelson, Colts. T.J. Hawkinson, Lions. Bradley Chubb, Broncos. Allen Robinson, Bears. Antonio Gibson, Washington. Noah Fant, Broncos. Dak Prescott, Cowboys. Antoine Winfield Jr. to the Bucks. The rookie, good one. Josh Palmer, Chargers. Green non-rookie, Marlon Humphrey, Ravens. Silver rookie variation, Nico Collins to the Texans. Cracked ice, Brandon Ayuk, Niners. Montez Sweat, Washington. Hayden Hurst, Falcons. And the rookie, Greg Rousseau to Buffalo. Hype won't be a rookie. It's Jonathan Taylor, Colts. So we ended up with 3 silver rookie variations in the first half of the break out of 6 boxes. That's 50%. And as far as the big rookies, so far we have Najee in color, Jamar, Justin Fields in color and an insert. We have Waddle, Lawrence in color, Zach Wilson. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're on pace. Come on, Mac Jones, Davis Mills, Devontae Smith. Micah Parsons, Monray St. Brown, Javonte Williams. Here's Rashad Evans, Titans, John Taylor, Niners, Michael Pittman, Colts, James Conner, Cardinals, Derwin James Jr., Chargers, Brock Lesnar, Vikings, Patrick Mahomes II, Kansas City, T.J. Hawkinson, Lions, Bradley Chubb, Broncos, Jalen Smith, Cowboys, Michael Thomas, Saints, Jerome Bettis, Pittsburgh, rookie, Zaven Collins, Cardinals, silver non-rookie, Austin Hooper, Browns, green, rookie is Ian Book, Saints. I don't have him in my top 12, but that's a pretty nice one. Ryan Tannehill, Titans. These are the cracked ice. Keenan Allen, Chargers. Luke Kuechly, Panthers. Rookie, Dayo Adeyingbo to the Colts. Hype, Justin Herbert, Chargers. Five boxes to go. James Conner, Cardinals. Jordan Akins, Texans. Marcus May, Jets. Kyle Van Noy, Patriots. Brandon Cook, Texans. Darnell Savage, Packers. Cortland Sutton, Broncos. Justin Jefferson, Vikings. Cole Beasley, Bills. Jeremy Chin, Panthers. Juju, Pittsburgh. Latavius Murray, Saints. I believe this is a rookie. It is, and the Chargers have both Palmer and Roundtree now in the break. Green non-rookie, Marshall Faulk, Colts. Silver rookie variation, Kellen Mond. He has shown up in color for the second time in this break. Minnesota Vikings. I think we got a cracked ice earlier. Now a silver rookie variation. Speaking of the cracked ice, here's Deebo Samuel, Niners. Akeem Hicks, Bears. Wow. Tom Brady, Tampa Bay Buccaneers. cracked ice. Rookie cracked ice. Ben Skowronek Rams emergent rookie. Rashad Bateman Ravens. That's a good box right there. Kurt Warner Cardinals, Vernon Hargraves Texans, Jacoby Myers Patriots, Jordan Brooks Seahawks, Anthony Miller Texans, Montez Sweat Washington, Khalil Mack Bears, Jalen Reagor Eagles, Bo Jackson Raiders, Kenny Galladay Giants, Clyde Campbell Ravens, Jalen Smith Cowboys, the rookie, Tutu Atwell Rams, the green non-rookie, Jamie Collins Lions, the silver rookie variation to the Ravens, Tylan Wallace, Cracked Ice, Kevin Byard Titans, Josh Allen, Buffalo Bills, that's a good one. Zeke Elliott Cowboys, there's another good one. Rookie, Quiddy Pay Colts, Fireworks, this could be a rookie. It's not. Matthew Stafford, Rams. Okay, another good box. Didn't get any of those missing top 12 rookies, but we got some nice stuff, including another silver rookie variation. Through 9 boxes, I think we have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 out of 9. One more would guarantee us at least 50%. 2 out of 3 gets us to 7. I think that's what I called for. No, not yet. No Mac Jones in this one yet. I got him late in the first break. But we are still, I guess you could say we're patiently waiting. And I'm starting to lose my patience. Jonah Smith, Patriots. Rock Ya-Sin, Colts. Corey Davis, Jets. DJ Chark, Jacksonville. Matthew Stafford, Rams. Tre'Davious White, Buffalo. John Brown, Raiders. Xavier Howard, Dolphins. Hunter Renfrow, Raiders. Jordan Love, Green Bay. Patrick Queen, Ravens. Jordan Lewis, Cowboys. Rookie, Travis Etienne Jr., Jacksonville. Green non-rookie, Amari Cooper, Cowboys. Silver rookie variation, Javonte Williams, Denver Broncos. There's one of my top 12s. Cracked Ice, Ty Law, Patriots. Antonio Gibson, Washington. Jeremy Shockey, Giants, rookie. Another Tylan Wallace. Now you can see what's different on the variation. And we have an emergent rookie. Here we go. Come on. Najee. Second Najee. I believe the first one was in color. And we have our 6th variation. We only had 4 in the whole break earlier today. We've already beat that by 2 with 2 boxes to go. Justin, I am going to put up a big Prizm break on Facebook here and, well, tonight. Probably within about an hour, I'll have it up. And then I've got an eBay Prizm break tomorrow on eBay right now. It's 5 blasters, 6 hangers. The one I'm putting on Facebook to pick your team will have probably about 4 megas and maybe 6 blasters, 6 hangers, something like that. It'll be a big one. It'll be a big break. I'll have it posted within the hour. I'll put it that way. So be watching my page. Giving the New England Patriots away in that one. Ross Blacklock, Texans. Cam Newton, Patriots. Jamal Adams, Seahawks. Will Fuller, Dolphins. George Kittle, Niners. Raekwon Smith Bears, Dallas Goedert Eagles, Walter Payton Bears, Tremaine Edmonds Buffalo, Brian Sipe Browns, Matt Ryan Falcons, Joe Burrow Bengals, rookie, another Justin Fields. What a break for the Bears. Green non-rookie, James Robinson Jags, silver, rookie, variation, Travis Etienne Jr. Jacksonville. Cracked ice, C.J. Henderson Jacksonville. Irv Smith Vikings, Brian Dawkins Eagles, and the rookie, Kenneth Gainwell. Oh, I thought for a minute that was Devontae. Hype Chenault Jr. to the Jacksonville Jaguars. Not a bad box. We got our 7th rookie variation. We got another Justin Fields, this time the base rookie. Well, I'm kind of in a dilemma now. I called for 7 and we hit it. Usually a person wants to be right. I actually hope I'm wrong. I'm ready for another silver rookie variation. Rock Ya-Sin Colts, Corey Davis Jets, DJ Chark Jags, Matthew Stafford Rams, Devontae Adams Green Bay, Clyde Edwards-Helaire Kansas City, Jared Goff Lions, Von Miller Broncos, Darnell Mooney Bears, Darius Slayton Giants, J.K. Dobbins Ravens, DeMarcus Lawrence Cowboys, rookie, Nico Collins Texans, green non-rookie Travis Fulgham Eagles. Our 8th rookie variation belongs to, oh, we got a big one, Houston Texans Davis Mills variation, cracked ice, Mark Brunell Jags, Justin Herbert Chargers. Wow. Fletcher Cox Eagles, our last rookie, Jeremiah Owusu-Kumaraya Browns. Hype, there's Herbert again, but that's not as cool as that cracked ice. And that's how the break ends. We got close, but we missed Mac Jones. That hurts. But we got a bunch of the others. And we got a bunch of them in color. 8 silver rookie variations out of 12 boxes. 4 earlier today. Here's the recap. Cracked ice Herbert. Justin Fields rookie. Tom Brady cracked ice. Ian Book in green. Najee Harris cracked ice. Jamar Chase fireworks. Justin Fields break insert. Jalen Waddle emergent. Zach Wilson fireworks. Kellen Mond cracked ice. Elijah Mitchell cracked ice. Justin Fields cracked ice. And now for the 8 silver rookie variations, we did well. Texans did well because there's Nico Collins, Tutu Atwell, Kellen Mond, Tylan Wallace, Javonte Williams, Travis Etienne Jr., Davis Mills, and Trevor Lawrence. Thank y'all so much. Be watching for that Facebook break. I'm going to be posting in just a little while. It'll be a big one. Y'all have a great rest of your evening and stay safe. Good night.